This is called fly machine. So, do you think this fly machine can rule the three parts of chest? Upper, middle, and lower? Yes, pwede. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano. Yan. Ganyan yung form ko dyan. Medyo nakalabas yung lower ko kasi lower chest yung pinapalaki ko dyan. Yan. Sa fly machine yan ha. Mas outer yung lower ko. And kapag naman ganyan, naka straight yung likod natin, full chest yan, full chest, middle chest. Yan lang siya, fly machine pa rin yan. And kapag naman ganyan yung form nyo, naka outer yung upper, ibig sabihin upper yung pinapalaki natin, upper chest. So usually ang alam po lang natin no, yung incline, bench press, and decline lang yung pang chest, and then dumbbell. Pwede rin yan lahat sa fly machine.